So Epic Game just dropped 3 premium assets for free, but only until December 2nd, 9:59 a.m. ET. If you are building an environment, cinematic sequence, or character-focused game, these are straight up wins. So let's break them down one by one. So first up, we have here Chaotic Sky by Valerian. If I'm not pronouncing it right, just correct me in the comment section. Now this is a matte painting skybox packs with animated flow maps, which means you get a cinematic painterly sky that looks like AAA trailer shots, perfect for open world fantasy settings, moody landscapes. Now what you are getting here is high quality 3D skybox, animated cloud layers, and incredible cutscenes establishing shots. This alone usually premium tier, so grab it immediately. Now next up we have here Laketown by Aaron. If I'm not pronouncing it right, again correct me in the comment section. Now it is actually a cozy medieval fantasy lake village with boats, bridges, fogs, candlelit atmosphere. If you are building RPGs, survival games, cinematic story sequence, this is plug and play gold. Fully built environment, strong lighting and mood, perfect for trailer exploration segments, and is actually quite lightweight of 1.59 GB. This is basically free starting zone for your next prototype. And now finally we have the Futuristic Warrior Cyber by Evan Store, a stylized armored warrior with glowing effect and suit details, good for boss fights, hero characters, or stylized sci-fi games. And you will get here high quality characters, clean textures, ready for animation retargeting, only 461 MB. Now this is an excellent choice if you need a hero or antagonist for quick prototyping. Now remember, these three premium assets are completely free but only until December 2nd, 9:59 a.m. ET. After that, they will go back to being paid. So even if you don't need them now, your future you will thank you. Hit the marketplace and add them to your library. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.